Hello, my name is Erica Schaefer, and today I will be talking to you about the importance of communication in dentistry. Imagine yourself as a patient in a healthcare setting, and your provider fails to inform you about your appointment that day or ask you any questions. You would more than likely feel out of place. As a patient, it is important that we feel welcomed by our provider and we are informed about our healthcare. This is true in dentistry as well. As a future dental hygienist, I have experienced time in the office and I have witnessed how important communication is. Experiences at the dental office differ from patient to patient based on the individual's oral health needs. However, it is the dentist and hygienist's job to communicate effectively with his or her patient. In this speech, I will explain the 3 important aspects of communication in the dental field. First, I will speak on giving guidance to the patient. Second, I will speak on developing relationships with the patient. And third, I will explain the importance of communicating among the team at the office. First, it is crucial to give the best guidance to the patient concerning his or her oral health. On February 23rd, I accessed the Patient's Communications, a guide for dentists written by the Nova Scotia Dental Association. According to this text, the overall goal of the effective communication is to empower your patients with knowledge required to make an informed decision about their health. This allows patients to feel more comfortable about treatment plans and the actions being made towards his or her oral care. The patient will gain knowledge concerning his or her teeth with a level of trust to the provider. I will now move on to my next point. Second, it is essential to build a strong relationship with the patient. In 2011, Dr. Arun Chanda writes in Communication in Dentistry, an important part of the dentist-patient relationship, that we should be able to empathize with what the patient is going through, which for some with severe dental phobia is very important in establishing rapport and reducing patient anxiety. With this being said, there are 2 types of individuals: those who enjoy going to the dentist and those who dislike going to the dentist. Empathy and consistency are 2 very important traits to possess in dentistry. It is imperative to develop a relationship with the patient in which the individual feels welcomed and will therefore feel comfortable coming back to the office on a regular basis. I will now move on to my last point. Third, it is necessary to communicate with each other at the office. In 2000, Kathy Jameson writes in Communication is the Key for Dental-onomics that building a strong, open, and communicative team of professionals is a forward step in dealing with stresses and burnout. Communication is a significant factor to building a strong practice. If everyone is capable of working together as a team, everything will run more smoothly overall. Statistically speaking, as this profession can have a high burnout rate, this will also be beneficial to the workers in which they will look forward to coming back to the office daily. In conclusion, today I spoke with you about the importance of communication in the dental field. Communication in dentistry and healthcare in general is imperative, as it is beneficial to both the patient and the provider. Communicating effectively in the dental practice includes giving the correct guidance to the patient, developing a relationship with the patient, and communicating among the team at the office. Overall, communication is necessary for a multitude of reasons, especially when it comes to the patient finding confidence in his or her oral health. Correct guidance and relationships with patients will ultimately result in the individual loving his or her smile.